this is Brandy Williams with Garden Butterfly, and I'm just going to give you a quick run through of how I plant my succulent garden. So for this area here, we cleared it all out. It was just old mulch here and just a few plants that just needed to go. So I just chose some foundation plants. We got here the Dianella. They do well in shade. And then also some succulents. I always like to add in succulents. So we have my succulent vignette here. We have another aeonium. This area will get full. You come here, got another succulent, another aeonium here, and another garden butterfly vignette in this area. So this will get full. I'm gonna add in mulch, and this will just be clean and a cool, simple garden. Then we're gonna come over here to my specialty, which is the succulent tapestry garden. This area, we cleared it out. There were some palm trees here. What do we have? All succulents. Succulents, you got echeveria, aloe. If you see here, I like to put the bark mulch in the back, the organic mulch, because it's a little easier to clean up. And